Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and there's no list waiting for you. No alarm, no lunches to pack, no deadlines, and no rush. Just pure silence. What would you do? Would you remember who you are beyond the roles you play? Hi, I'm Amita Anup, a life transformation mentor for married women, and today we are exploring a powerful question that can open the doors for rediscovering yourself. As wives, daughters, and mothers, we get so caught up in meeting the needs of others that we forget to ask ourselves, what do I need? What makes me feel alive? Yes, if you had no responsibilities for one day, what would that day look like? Today, I'm going to guide you through this journey. So take a deep breath and let's dream together. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize. You wake up when your body wants to, without an alarm. You feel light, free. Would you sit quietly with a cup of tea and listen to the birds? Or would you pick up that book you have been meaning to read for months? Or would you take a long, peaceful walk, feeling the wind gently kiss your face? Maybe you would spend the morning journaling your dreams, the ones buried under the years of someday when I have time. This is your time. So see, what are you doing? Think about what excites you. Would you paint, dance, or lose yourself in music? Would you explore a new hobby that's been calling your soul? Or would you spend the day in quiet reflection, giving yourself the space to hear your own heart? Sometimes the deepest desires aren't loud, okay? They whisper softly, waiting for us to listen. So, if no one needed you today, what would you do for yourself? This feeling of joy, calm, and freedom don't have to be a fantasy, okay? You can create pockets of this in your everyday life. 5 minutes of silence in the morning before the house wakes up, a walk in the evening after the dinner, or a hobby that brings you joy even if it's just for 10 minutes. When you give yourself the permission to just be, you also give yourself the permission to grow. You don't need permission to prioritize yourself, you just need to decide. So I ask you again, if you had no responsibilities for one day, what would you do? Now take that vision and ask yourself, what's one small thing can I do today to bring that feeling into my life? Share it with me in the comments, and I would love to hear what your heart desires. If you are ready to start this journey of reconnecting with yourself, subscribe my channel. Together, let's start taking small steps toward creating a life where you matter too. Remember, when you start taking care of yourself, you don't just create a happier life for yourself, you also create a happier home for everyone around you. So take a moment today and ask yourself, what do I need? Because you deserve to live a life that looks as good inside as it looks outside. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.